Okay. Coming with a little voiceover real quick just to explain how to make the Chemex coffee. I don't want to put text all over the screen because that's just annoying. So what you see right here is I'm grinding the coffee. You want to go for like a medium to coarse ground for Chemex. Then take your water, preferably some cold filtered water, put it in the kettle. I think it's recommended to aim for 195 to 205 degrees, but if you're like me and you don't have a thermometer, just kind of shoot your shot and go for what's best. Just kind of feel it out, work it out. You know, you're making coffee at home, make it how you like, get it to that right temperature. And then you're going to go ahead and I use a scale. You definitely don't have to, but it is the most accurate way. You want to aim for about 24 ounces of water to 42 grams of coffee. Make sure you get your multivitamin. That is a key part of making coffee. But anyways, like I said, about 42 grams of coffee. Right here I'm going to wet the filter. That kind of warms up the Chemex, but also gets that papery taste off of the filter. And then I'm dumping in the coffee, like I said, a medium to coarse grind, 42 grams. Then that little part, you just pour some water over. It's called blooming the grounds, and that just kind of gets it started and lets them kind of breathe a little bit before just completely dumping all the water and drowning the coffee beans. So now I've tarred the scale. Like I said, you really don't have to weigh it out. There are definitely ways that you can just eyeball it, which I typically do, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be efficient and as close as I can measure it out. So again, like I said, 42 grams to 24 ounces of water. It's not going to show 42 grams, or sorry, not going to show 24 ounces on there because I've already tarred it, which, you know, zeroed out the scale from what I was working with. And then I usually bloom it and then pour in about 2/3 of the total water, so whatever that would be of 24 ounces, and then finish off with the rest of the water. And then before it finishes off completely, I'll take it and throw away the grounds and the little bit of it because it kind of just gets like a build up, and then your coffee's good to go. So hope that helps, and y'all enjoy the rest of the video. So now you take your coffee in your favorite mug. For me, it's a mug from my grandma that she used to always use. It also kind of reminds me of like those diner mugs and everything, and it's kind of like one of my favorite styles, like very simple, but and then you just pull up. This is how you start your day. If you start without coffee, you're in big trouble. I usually do it black. You can add whatever you want to it, half and half. But the Chemex is just like a super easy way. Like you just take the filter out, throw it, like I just said. It's a good way. I've been like hitting up Chemex like every day for the past couple of weeks. As you see, a nice coffee bar with way too many coffee accessories is very necessary. If you don't have that, don't even try to make coffee. There's really no point. So yeah, you just gotta go for it though. But I hope that this helps y'all make some coffee. You make it from home, you're gonna save a lot of money. But nonetheless, I have all this equipment and I still spend way too much money out of coffee shops because why the heck not? You go for friends, you go have fun, it's an experience. Some days you're lazy, it's really good. And then the last but most important part is to always share a cup of coffee with your loved ones. Cooper, hey, what I got? What's this? Come here. See it? Oh, I'm not gonna hold him like this, but the camera's gotta see at least a few licks. This is homemade, so even cheaper. Actually, I think they give it to you for free at most places that do it. Oh my goodness, you're spilling everywhere, you filthy animal. Eat it, golly, letting it all go. Also, this is like a dairy-free coconut one because my man's, he gets the dairy farts. Can you blame him? No, I'm just kidding. I just wanted to try it. Bro, you are just, now you're spilling on me. Now I'm mad. Hope y'all enjoyed the first episode of Coffee with Cooper. There will be more. If y'all are interested in any other things about coffee, let me know. I'll get Pat in on these because he's a lot more knowledgeable about coffee than me. Drink up. Coffee is life.